Hi, here's a quick video on how to replace the rear wiper motor on a Vauxhall Zafira. We've got three T25 Torx here, one tucked under here, probably looks a bit loose, and one tucked under here. Once that's done, give that a pull and that should come free. Now I pause the video because I haven't got enough hands, so give the entire thing a pull downwards and it will come free like this. As we lay this down into the bottom of the boot, you can see the blue and white clips around the edge which secured this to the boot. And there's the wiper motor. Unclip the wiring connector and then unscrew the remaining Torx. It's something other than your hands. Then pull the old motor back through the grommet through the screen. There we are. Grab the new one out of the box. Thanks very much, eBay. Poke it back through the grommet and do these Torx back up and plug the connector back in. Now take a screwdriver to remove these plastic clips here and here to attach them back to the boot lining here and here. Once again, I didn't have enough free hands to do this on camera, so here's what the clips look like, and they slot in from the side there and here. From here, clip the lining back onto the boot and do up the 5 Torx bolts. You're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful.